Handling and safety instructions for Simunition conversion kit for M16, M4, and C7, C8 rifles and carbines. Clear weapon. Remove magazine. Remove all ammunition. Lock bolt to the rear. Visually and physically inspect weapon to verify clear. Release bolt to forward position. Open upper receiver and remove lethal bolt. Lubricate conversion bolt. Install into upper receiver. Change front hand guards with blue hand guards or mark barrel with blue tape. Tape converted weapon and magazines for recognition. Use 5.56 millimeter FX in original magazines. Returning weapon to operational status. Clear weapon. Remove magazine. Remove all ammunition. Lock bolt to the rear. Visually and physically inspect weapon to verify clear. Open upper receiver and remove conversion bolt. Clean bore using 22 caliber bore brush supplied in kit. Lubricate and replace lethal bolt. Remove marking tape from weapon and magazines. Replace hand guards with original. Inspect for proper functioning.